Stock market tips and tricks that will surely work. Researching the stock market and understanding how it works is the first step to making successful and profitable investments in a variety of companies. Being patient and using research to your advantage are important traits. Watch this video for some great tips on how to choose stocks and make the most money possible. The simple paper you purchase when you invest in stocks are more than just paper. If you own a stock, you actually own a small part of the company, and you should take that investment seriously. This can also entitle you to assets and earnings, depending on the debts of the company. In some instances, you may be able to vote on corporate leadership. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Try to spread out your investments. Investing largely in one sector can come with disastrous results. This is especially true in the stock market. If you purchase stocks in only one company and it fails, you have lost all of your money. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Even though the stock market is open to anyone with money to invest, it takes skilled decision making and strategizing to be successful. Purchasing low and selling high is something everyone knows, and there is more to it than that. Simply do research and use the tips presented here to become a top-notch investor. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.